Hey Stampers, Kim from StampingImperfection.com. I just have a quick video here. I wanted to share a new video craft kit that I have recently started purchasing. This is actually my first one, and this is from Sparkle and Sprinkle, and it's just sparkleandsprinkle.com. But I wanted to share with you, this is the first kit, and apparently at the end of December they always have a goodie bag kit, and this year's goodie bag kit included Nuvo products. And while I've tried a couple of these, I haven't tried the rest of this stuff. So I'm really excited about this. This is one of the reasons why I love craft kits. And it's because I get the opportunity to try some new things. But I wanted to show you what this kit came with. And I'll put the link for this kit below, because I think this was $35. Like, I got all of this, and this would cost me way more than $35 even with a coupon code to get. So I just wanted to share with you what I got in this kit. First of all, I got a Nuvo embellishment mousse, and you know I love these. I've done several videos with the Nuvo embellishment mousse, and I love them. I happen to get Pacific Teal. Not everybody got the same color, but you got one Nuvo embellishment mousse in the kit. You also got a Nuvo hybrid ink pad, and these are all full-size things. And the price tag on the back of this is $7.99 for just this one thing. We know ink pads are expensive, and I have been dying to try these out. So I now have a Nuvo hybrid ink pad to try out, and I'm excited that it's Acorn Brown, because brown is a nice neutral color, so I can use that to stamp an image and color it in and see how this hybrid pad behaves, because they're supposed to be good for water-based and alcohol inks. So I'm excited to try that out. I haven't tried anything, but I think I tried the Nuvo embossing, their clear mark pad, but I haven't tried one of their hybrid pads yet, so I'm pretty excited about that. I also got a Nuvo glitter marker. I happened to get Morning Moss, and I know that, you know, they had a variety of colors, and this is the one I got, which I'm very excited about. I will be using this on the, I'm going to make table place cards today for Christmas, my Christmas dinner, and this sparkly green glitter marker is going to be absolutely perfect for that. So I'm super excited about that. I'm so excited that they sent full-size things. Then you were getting an adhesive, and I'm very happy to say that I got the deluxe adhesive craft glue, because I love liquid craft glue. They had a variety of options that you could potentially get, and they have a video on their website about what other options may be included. Like, you don't get a choice, you just get the box, but I love liquid craft glue. So I'm excited to try this particular one, because I really have been loving the Nuvo products that I got. I also got 3 Nuvo drops. Now these I have tried, and I do have the crystal clear drops that are glossy in a few colors, not this color, so I'm excited about that. But I also got a crystal jewel drop in this really pretty light blue color. I don't have any jewel drops, and then I got a metallic one, and I think I have one, I have like a copper metallic one. So I was excited that I got this in a color that I don't have, because I love these. This is a product I know I love. I have tried that. Here's something. Oh, this is scary getting some of these new products, though, I have to tell you, because this is the Cookies and Cream set of dual-tipped alcohol marker pens. Nuvo came out with alcohol marker pens, and you know I love my Altenew artist markers. Those are my alcohol markers, and I like them because there's a limited number, although they just came out with a new set. So I feel like it confines what I collect to a small number. So I've been trying to resist Copics, which has been impossible. So now I'm, you know, loving the Copics, and I have started out with a few of those, and my collection is slowly growing, and now I have another set of alcohol markers to try, and I can see that it has a chisel tip, and I have not opened these yet. It looks like a chisel tip and is it a brush tip? The broad tip, and it's got a broad tip and a fine tip. It's definitely a chisel tip, and I can't tell whether it's a brush tip or a fine tip, but this is the Cookies and Cream collection, and you can see on the edge here the 3 colors. Again, neutrals. These will pair perfectly with that ink pad, so I will definitely be playing with these. And then I got, and here's something I have not tried yet. I do love, a while ago in one of the craft kits I got, let me see if I can find it. Yeah. I got this Nuvo Glitter Gloss Aqua Shimmer pen, and I love this. This has become my favorite glitter gloss pen. So now I got the Spring Meadow set. You can see the colors here. These are their brush tip watercolor pens. And again, I have the water brush markers from Altenew. Has a set of 12, I think, in a variety of colors, and I have been loving playing with these. But now I've got a few pastels to add to my collection, so I'm looking forward to trying these, because watercoloring has been one of the techniques I've put a lot of time and energy into this year, along with my alcohol marker coloring. So I'm excited to have a new product to try with some watercolor techniques. And then here's something I would never purchase, because I find the cost of this kind of thing so expensive, and then I feel just guilty cutting into it. But I got 2 packages of this specialty paper, and this is actually like really textured paper, and I've gotten some pieces of these in like my Hero Arts card kits, monthly card kits. I've gotten some beautiful specialty papers like this from them, and also Simon Says Stamps, I think, had it once or twice, and also the Hedgehog Hollow kits had like you got like a card front size piece, or a like a half a page of it. So I have 5 papers in 2 different colors here, and again I have this, they call this woven hide. This is going to coordinate with the ink pad and the alcohol markers that I got. I don't know if they did that on purpose, but I like that I just happen to get things that are going to coordinate like that. So that was all included in one kit, and like this has to be at least a value of twice what I paid. So I'm pretty excited about that. And to go along with this kit, they have a Facebook challenge group where you can win prizes and post your creations. And they have videos where you can learn how to use some of these products. Although I do love experimenting on my own to see what I can figure out to do with them before I get influenced by everybody else's ideas. But I think this is a great way to start off with some of these products. So you can check that out with the link below. Again, it's Sparkle and Sprinkle. And just check it out if you're interested. So thanks for watching. Stop by my blog at stampingimperfection.com. Give this video a like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.